Diamond Bank plans to further strengthen its focus on the retail segment in Nigeria, increasing its branch network to 260 by the end of 2013. That's while it expands its funding sources to include Tier 1 equities. Now, CNBC Africa's Tosin Olasende caught up with Alex Otti, who's the CEO of Diamond Bank, at its annual general meeting for more on the company's outlook for 2013. Take a look.
From the first quarter of 2012, we started posting profits, and we have consistently posted progressive profit from the first quarter up to the first quarter of 2013. So that's 5 quarters of consistent profitability. The strategy remains first and foremost to do things a little different, to ensure that we support the retail segment of the market, the micro, the small, and the small scale enterprises. We have skills, we have propositions, we have people, we have technology, and we have all it takes to deal in that market. Traction in that market has gone up. If you followed the news in the last couple of months, we had deployed over 70 billion naira in risk assets to the micro, small, and medium scale enterprises.
All right, speaking about being innovative and being an investor in technology and human capital, let's talk about the authorized $750 million loan that was authorized today. What exactly do you intend to utilize that capital raised for? And what form of funding are you looking at?
Okay, let me put it in proper perspective.
Okay.
It is not a new approval that we got. Last year, at an AGM like this, we had come to the AGM to ask for approval to raise $750 million in Tier 2 capital. And we got that approval last year. But this year we thought we should expand the sources of the funding to include equity, that is Tier 1, either by way of rights or a public offer. So that's exactly what we did today. So there's some misconception as if we're asking for something very new. It's not new. Okay, what do we want to do? You will notice that the capital adequacy requirements for international banks in Nigeria from May last year moved up according to CBN, the Central Bank of Nigeria regulation, 10%, which it used to be to 15%. So, and if we must continue to grow our business, then we need to ensure that we have healthy capital adequacy ratio, our footprint in terms of the branches that we are developing. We are doing a whole lot more business. So we need capital to be able to continue on our growth pattern and continue to grow. So the funds we are looking for is to strengthen our capital base and to empower us to do more in the marketplace.
Okay. I see you keep talking about empowering you to do more. You're a bit limited with words. You don't want to tell us exactly. I see you want to grow your capital, you want to grow branches, but is there any other thing you'd like us to know about? Any other thing you intend, any big news you want to use this capital for besides the growing capital and expanding?
Well,
any specific news?
No, that is the big thing. The big thing is building the business. Today you'll see that we have Diamond Bank UK PLC.
Yes.
Okay, and that took some money out of our capital. And we opened on the 26th of March and had a launch on the 16th of April. We still intend to go into some other parts of West Africa in some future date. We intend to open additional branches. We have about 230 branches today. We have approval to do some 30 more, and that will take us to 260. We believe that in the next couple of years we should have no less than 300 branches. So those are the things that we are doing, and we also have business to do. It is all towards the growth of the business.